To read manga on Anime Planet, first open your laptop and launching your web browser. In the search bar, type Anime Planet Manga and look for the official website link. Click on the official Anime Planet website to access its manga library safely. Wait for the homepage to fully load before exploring the available options. Now click on the manga section from the top menu to browse available titles. You will see a wide range of manga categories and recommendations. Scroll through the list to find a manga that interests you. Click on any manga title to open its detailed page. On this page, you can see the story summary and ratings. Look for the Read Online option provided on the page. Click the Read Online button to start reading the manga. You may be redirected to a partner site for reading. Wait for the manga reader to fully load on your screen. Once loaded, you can start reading the manga pages. Use the Next button to move forward through the story. Each click will take you to the next page smoothly. You can also adjust the zoom level for better viewing. Switch to full screen mode for a better reading experience. Scroll through the pages comfortably at your own pace. If you like the manga, consider bookmarking it. You can log in to your Anime Planet account to save progress. Add the manga to your reading list for easy access later. You can also rate the manga based on your experience. Leave a short review to share your thoughts with others. Explore more recommendations provided on the website. Try different genres like action, romance, or fantasy. Click on another manga to continue reading new stories. Enjoy discovering new manga titles every day. Reading manga online is simple and fun on Anime Planet. And that's how you can read manga on Anime Planet easily.